Welcome back to Kanen Coffee. In front of me is a Gaggia Anima that was brought in by John because it was not grinding coffee beans, which would make for a very bad cup of coffee, I expect. Nevertheless, we have replaced the motor and grinder unit. It's up under there, and I've got a magnet propped up there so we can do this with the door open. I'm going to hit the Espresso button. There it is, John. Grinding coffee as intended. Go ahead and close that, and we'll let it finish making its espresso. And John, thanks for bringing it in. It was a lot of fun to work on this machine. A challenge too, but we'll be sending it back your way shortly. If you like the video, please send us a, just hit the check box and the thumbs up thingy, and subscribe to the channel for more videos. We'll keep making them. Thanks again, everybody.